good evening. What time is it now? It's 12:35. And then I did not yet sleep because this is the reason of my eye bags. You see, I'm sleeping always late. But my hair is still wet, and that's why I did not yet go to the bed. And I just make a short video because my sister is calling me the other day that she said, Presi, come. And I said, what? I think there's a bird outside. And then I said, okay, it's only a bird. But she said, I think there is something happened because the bird is bumping himself to the gate. And when I check outside, it's really amazed me because the color of the bird is so nice, and I don't know if it's a pet or it's just bird that no one's on, but I guess it's a pet because it's very nice. So just check this video that I made while I'm checking this bird outside. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel. And there is a bell button in the side. Please click it so you can have an update of my video every time I upload. So good evening everyone, and thank you for watching. God bless us all. Just check the bird and leave the comment down because this bird is so nice. Bye. Good evening. I'm going to sleep. Bye. What happened to you, birdie? You're fallen? You're not okay? Oh my god. Wow. You have a nice color. Oy. Annie. Ay, Annie. The bird broke his, what we call this? Finger. Oh, very nice color. You know, I take a video. Yeah. Sarah. Oh, so cute. Very cute. But you know his finger is broken. Oh my god. Cutie birdie. He's bleeding?
Yeah.
Where?
On his arm.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he's flying. I'm very good. He will be okay. Yeah, he's flying. Aww. Very nice color.
Send this to my mom so she can show
Oh, perfect color.
you.
So color nice. Oh my god, I hope tomorrow this bird will be okay. Bye, birdie. You're so cute. You see? Very nice.
Yes, I'm getting two. He's my brother.
Oh, oh, so cute.
It's a boy.
I don't know if it's a boy or a
I know
girl.
it's a boy if I can.
Oh, very cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. What kind of bird is this? An Arab bird. It's my first time see the yellow bird, huh?
Take a
I only
picture.
see gray birds.
Wow. Eh,